Welcome guys to the Crochet Beads channel. In this tutorial we will learn how to create a beautiful and unique texture using only knit and purl stitches. So this is 8-row repeat pattern, is beginner friendly but gives a gorgeous look that works great for scarves, blankets and sweaters. So blanket will be really look great with this stitch. And for this stitch, cast on any odd number. In the first row, slip the first stitch. It's a salvage stitch, and knit all other stitches. At the end there will be always a salvage stitch that we are going to purl. Row number 2, repeat row number 1. So knit all stitches, slip the first stitch and knit all stitches. And purl the last salvage stitch. Starting from the row number 3, we are going to knit a ribbon. Slip the first stitch and then knit 1, purl 1, 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 and because we had an odd number, so we have 1 knit stitch and purl the last salvage. Row number 4, here we knit all the knits and purl all the purls. So the first stitch is a purl stitch here, so we are going to purl it. Then knit stitch, knit it, and repeat. Purl 1, knit 1, purl 1, knit 1, purl 1, knit 1, purl 1, knit 1 at the end again. Purl 1 because we have an odd number and purl the last salvage stitch. Row number 5, slip the first stitch and knit all other stitches. Purl the last one. Turn row number 6, again knit all stitches. Turn row number 7, again knit all stitches. And the last row, row number 8, we are going to purl all stitches. So we did first 2 rows in garter stitch, then next 2 rows in ribbon, then next 2 rows in garter stitch again, and the last 2 rows in stockinette stitch. That's it. Now we are going to repeat everything from the beginning. So knit first 2 rows, then row number 3 and row number 4 they will be ribbon, knit 1, purl 1, knit 1, purl 1. Then again garter stitch, so we will knit row number 5 and 6, and the last 2 rows it's a stockinette stitch. And this beauty you will get at the end. Thank you guys so much for watching this tutorial with me. I hope you really enjoyed it. Please don't forget to subscribe and like this video.